Anderson Halloween 2019. Go through our entire setup, our entire graveyard, and then we have a haunted maze. We have 150 hours invested into Halloween this year. So this is the left side of our graveyard. Have a few fog machines going, a bunch of props, static props, and animatronic. And of course, only enter if you dare, which is what we are about to do right now. We got the harvester right there that's really guarding the graveyard. We have 3 scare cams set up in the maze. I'll show you where those are. A ton of great scares, which we'll be posting on the channel coming here in the next week. Kids could walk through the graveyard. We had lit pumpkins up. We're going to just kind of walk you through the actual haunted graveyard maze that they are able to walk through. This is one of my personal favorite static props. Skeleton holding the really awesome lit lantern. 3-headed dog. We got a little scarecrow guy back there. And then we would turn around here, head back into the cemetery. And then my other personal favorite was the coffin. Whoa. And then we would enter, yes, the haunted maze. So we have this entire hallway just all in cobwebs. And we had this prop set up. And as people would cross, there was a hole right there. We'd stick a hand out. We got all kinds of spiders and fingers in here. This is where our first scare cam was, right there. And get out. So we have a couple of, again, hanging props in here. This is kind of the scarecrow room. And without the light, this is what it looked like, and it was really freaky, really scary. It was great to hide in here. We had a fog machine going in here. Next is the Michael Myers room. So we had Michael right down here, which is motion activated, followed by a sign that says, "Don't look back." Now, one of my scares, I would actually hide right in the corner here, and as people walk by, I would scare the crap out of them with an air cannon. So Michael Myers will go off as we get closer here. Very awesome. Then we got the green room, 4th room. This is my favorite room. We got all kinds of laser lights. It's that swampy effect going on here. This is where our second scare cam was. We have a firecracker that's motion activated. That's right up here, you'll see. We got a little Chucky doll roaming around this place. 4th room, maybe it's our 5th, I lost track. Just have the static alien or zombie prop. We have someone in here, again, jumping out and scaring them. And then right here would be our last scare cam. We have the drop wall right here. Someone was right behind there, dropped that wall. What happened is, kids, as they exited, they'd have to grab candy out of either the scarecrow or the witch. That's what Halloween looked like for us. It's only going to get bigger and bigger every year. This year we had a total of 676 people come through our cemetery gates, and about another 300 that actually were too scared to actually come across the cemetery gates. So again, on the channel we will be posting all of the footage of the best scares and what this looks like in the daylight. But it was an amazing year, and like I said, it's only going to get bigger and better. Here's Bigfoot signing off Halloween 2019. Son of a